Once upon a time, in the Sparkle Glade, lived a delightful bunny named Starlight Bunny and a gentle bear named Kindheart Bear. They were the best of friends and renowned for their fun-filled adventures. One day, they decided to embark on a thrilling journey to explore the wondrous sky. Starlight Bunny was a superb planner. She made a schedule for their trip, knowing that discipline and time management were extremely vital. Kindheart Bear was responsible for packing the healthy food. He loaded up fresh fruits, vegetables, and water in their magic sky basket. Before their journey, they both had a good night's sleep to recharge. Early in the morning, Starlight Bunny cheerfully shared her Sunup Carrots with Kindheart Bear, while he earnestly offered his special dawn honey to her. Their shared sky basket lifted them into the air. Suddenly, an issue arose. A flock of birds was heading straight towards them. But our friends had a positive mindset. They guided their sky baskets safely out of the way and thanked the birds for giving them a fun, maneuvering challenge. As they soared higher, their curiosity piqued by the celestial bodies around them. They saw Mars munching on meteors, the Milky Way sipping stardust smoothie, and the Jupiter doing the joyous jiggle. They learned so many new things about the cosmos which they could share with their friends back home. Spotting a silvery comet galloping by, Starlight Bunny had a creative idea. "Let's surf on the comet trail," she suggested. Kindheart Bear agreed happily, respecting Starlight Bunny's imaginative spirit. While they were surfing, they noticed a stranded starling bird. The caring duo brought it on board and shared their snacks. They flew the starling back to its flock, where it tweeted a grateful song. Kindheart Bear and Starlight Bunny felt proud. As they flew back, they gazed at the gorgeous sunrise, feeling utter gratitude for their adventurous sky safari. They realized how important were their shared qualities: discipline, honesty, kindness, creativity, curiosity, respect, teamwork, and positivity. Over a healthy breakfast, they eagerly planned their next adventure. Because for Starlight Bunny and Kindheart Bear, every day was a chance to learn, help, and have a positively fantastic adventure.